When we say we've got global experience, innovative equipment, and the best customer service on the planet, we're not just talking. We stand and deliver. Baileigh Industrial for your metal fabricating needs. Look up performance in the dictionary and you just might find that Baileigh has redefined its meaning. Our complete line of roll benders includes manual, electric, and hydraulic models with 2-driven or 3-driven rolls. Hard-working roll benders that are designed to make your work and life easier. The RH50 is a 220-volt, 3-phase bender with the capacity to bend up to 4-inch flat bar and up to 2-inch Schedule 40 pipe. It has 3 power-driven rolls and is operated by forward and reverse foot pedals that allows you to quickly change the direction of the roll's rotation. It comes standard with remote e-stop. The RH50 is loaded with exceptional features, including hydraulic adjustable top roll, a pressure gauge that monitors hydraulic pressure, and digital readout for accurate roll positioning. And it's versatile. Operate in the vertical position or lay the entire machine on its back to bend extended length pieces. Easy to use, highly adaptable with precision accuracy. That's the RH50, a solid shop choice. If you need greater capacity, the RH60 is the perfect option. It has everything the RH50 offers, but with greater capacity, as it handles up to 3-inch angle iron and 2.5-inch Schedule 40 pipe. Solidly constructed and boasting a wide range of features, the RH60, for those times when more is definitely more. For a more affordable choice, consider the RM50. It includes many features of the RH50, such as lateral guide rolls for straight and spiral bends, vertical and horizontal positioning, and foot pedal control. A manually powered 220-volt single-phase bender, the RM50 has a capacity to bend up to 2 3/4-inch round tube and 2-inch 14-gauge square tube. 2 powered rolls do the job on a variety of materials. Modular steel rolls allow for a variety of bending applications, and with the use of nylon rolls, anodized aluminum pipe rolls to a mar-free finish. A quality roll bender at a reasonable price, the RM50 offers you more value for your investment. Our manually adjusted roll benders are also available in 2 other models. The RM10 features 2 gear-driven rolls and is manually powered. For more versatility, check out the RM30. A 220-volt single-phase bender, it works in both the vertical and horizontal position, with the capacity to bend up to 1.5-inch square tube. Versatile, easy to operate, and solidly constructed, the RM30 is a powerful addition to any metal fabrication shop. In addition to our exceptional standard features, all Baileigh roll benders can be equipped with optional accessories: lateral angle guide rolls, scrolling attachments, twisting attachments, and special rolls custom made to your specifications. Precision, performance, perfection. From our advanced technology to our uncompromising customer service, we've got the power you need to get the definitive edge. Baileigh Industrial.